Reefer Runner from Identic Solutions is a reefer management system. It consists of a UHF transceiver that, when connected to the reefer controller unit, will automatically monitor it. So you don't have to go to the yard every 6 to 8 hours and do it manually. The deployment is very simple. Attach the tag permanently to the rack or any infrastructure close to the reefer, or temporarily on the reefer itself. Before the reefer is powered, connect the tag to the reefer data port. Line up the arrow in the plug with the mark on the data port, then push gently. To connect to an internal data port, the same procedure is applied, except you will have to open the panel door first. The panel door can be closed with the tag connected without any problem. Once the tag is connected, power up the reefer. The reefer is now automatically monitored. Power off the reefer before disconnecting the tag. Never pull at the adapter's cable, it will damage the receiver. When removing the receiver from the reefer, don't pull at the cable. Grab the body of the receiver and pull it off.